Hello everyone. Today let's look at some MCQs related to projectile motion. Now let's see the first question. From the top of a tower of height 40 meter, a ball is projected upwards with a speed of 20 meter per second at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. The ratio of the total time taken by the ball to hit the ground to its time of flight, time taken to come back to the same elevation is, so we have to find the ratio here and we should take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Now let's look at the solution. Now for time taken to come back to same elevation, we know the formula 2u sine theta upon g is equal to 2 into, let's see the question, u is equal to 20 into sine theta is equal to 30 degree divided by g, we should take 10. Now let's calculate this. It is 2 second. Now total time taken to hit the ground is equal to u sine theta upon g plus root under u sine theta upon g whole square plus 2h upon g is equal to 20 into sine 30 upon 10 plus root under 20 into sine 30 upon 10 square plus 2 into 40 upon 10. Since h is given 40 meter is equal to 1 plus root under 1 plus 8 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 second. Now ratio of total time taken to hit the ground to time taken to come back to same evaluation, ratio is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2:1. So our answer is A, 2:1. Now let's see question number 2. A solid sphere and a hollow sphere are thrown horizontally from a cliff with equal velocities respectively. Then which sphere reaches first on the earth? Now we have options. Now for this we have to understand a concept first. When objects are thrown horizontally, the horizontal velocity has no effect on the time taken to fall. The vertical motion is only affected by gravity. So for free fall, the time to reach ground depends upon h is equal to 1 upon 2 gt square. That is t is equal to root under 2h upon g. So this formula does not depend upon mass, shape or moment of inertia. So both spheres will hit the ground at the same time. However, if the question was about rolling, then moment of inertia would affect the result. But since here they are thrown horizontally, rolling is not involved. So our final option answer will be the both reach at same time. So our correct option is both spheres simultaneously. Now for question number 3, let's see. The equation of motion of projectile is y is equal to 12x minus 3 upon 4x square. Given that g is equal to 10 meter per second square, what is the range of projectile? So for this, Firstly, we need to find the range of projectile, that is horizontal distance where projectile hits the ground. Again, y is equal to 0. So, putting y is equal to 0 in the given equation of motion of projectile, y is equal to 12x minus 3 upon 4 x square. So, we will put here 0, 3 upon 4 x square, or x common, 12 minus 3 upon 4 x is equal to 0. So from here we get x is equal to 0 and 12 is equal to 3 upon 4 x, or x is equal to 16. So the range of projectile is 16 meter. Now for question number 4, a projectile is thrown upward with a velocity v0 at an angle alpha to the horizontal. The change in velocity of the projectile when it strikes the same horizontal plane. We have to find this. Now, so for this, we know horizontal component of velocity remains unchanged throughout the motion. That is, Vx is equal to v0 cos alpha. Now, the vertical component of velocity reverses its direction and has the same magnitude but opposite direction upon returning to the same horizontal level. That is, initial vertical velocity is equal to v0 sine alpha upward, and final vertical velocity is equal to minus v0 sine alpha downward. This is initial and this is final. Now change in vertical velocity is equal to v final minus v initial is equal to minus v0 sine alpha minus plus v0 sine alpha, that is minus 2 v0 sine alpha, which is 2 v0 sine alpha downwards. So the correct option is 2 v0 sine alpha downwards, that is B.